Hey guys, Dennis here. I do tech support for Source One Environmental. Today we're here to talk about one of the Quadex products. This one is Structure Guard FM. This is a fiber reinforced epoxy. Again, one of several products from Quadex, great products. This is kind of the workhorse product for manhole rehab. So this comes in two options. So we have one 1.5 gallon kit, which is kind of more of a bulk option, which is trowel applied. The other option would be a 900 ml cartridge, which is used with the one gun. So what are your work times here? So your work time is going to be 20 minutes at 70 degrees with a cure time of 4 hours at roughly the 70 degrees mark. Coverage is great. You got 3 square feet of coverage with this 900 ml cartridge, and that's at 125 ml thickness. And then with the bulk option, you're going to have 18 square feet of coverage at that same thickness, the 125. So a great thing about this product is no VOCs, safe to use for your workers, excellent bonding with this product, great workability. You'll find this is often used in conjunction with FlexGuard FM, so you'll see two often used in manhole rehab. So great products. You guys check out Quadex products. It's good stuff. For more info, please call the number you'll see posted or visit our website to check out more of the products and some of our other YouTube videos. And thank you for watching.